Hey mamas, so as you can see from the title, we'll be working with a new company, new to me at least. They are called Gorgius Hair, and they went ahead and sent me this super cute and fun for the summertime wig. This wig is actually their 4x4 Burmese curly lace closure unit with bangs in 12 inches. So as you guys can see, we are very much giving fro, natural fro, coming from the scalp fro, okay, period. In today's video, I showed you guys how I installed it, how I got it to look like this, which is pretty much curls defined, curls diffused, and the super quick and easy 100% glueless install. So if you're looking for a quick on-the-go wig, this is definitely the one for you. All I used was water and conditioner, and boom, we're out the door, literally. So if you'd like to see how I did this, just keep on watching, and as always, the links will be in the description box for you to purchase this unit. Let's jump into today's tutorial. Okay, so I'm actually talking a little bit in today's video. This hair is literally 10 inches, so it's really short. I am gonna just clip up my bangs with these two clips that I actually got in a package. So boom. On the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50 other ways split. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna just bring this wig forward to how I like it, and once I bring it forward, then I'm gonna just start cutting the lace off. Cutting the lace will be really easy for this unit, seeing that it is literally bangs, so I won't be having to show the lace whatsoever, which means this wig can remain 100% glueless. Not even liquid adhesive has to be used.
Stallion, ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50 other way, split it. Put a racks up and spin it back. Light a match, get lit it back. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. All the eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, work on my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50 other way, split it. Put a racks up and spin it back. Light a match, get lit it back. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. You stay flexing on me. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, should've worked on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, should've worked on my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on my way. Drew house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm a lady, that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum. Oh. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yum. We work on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, should've worked on my way, yeah, babe, yeah.
Okay, mamas, so said, so done. This wig was super quick and easy to do. Like, this wig, chef's kiss. This is definitely one of those wigs that you're like, oh my god, I need it, because if I need to go somewhere and I'm trying to just put something on my head and go, this is definitely it. It is 100% glueless. Once you have the band tightened in the back, you can literally wear this wig all day. I can shake, I can move. The wig is not falling off. Everything just bounces right back into place. And of course, the hair is really nice and dry, soft and full. It's very much moisturized right now. This is it in its 100% dried down state, so I would highly recommend it. It's super cute. And definitely what I will do is just go in and cut the bangs up some, or I could pull the wig back. It's up to me at this point, but I am definitely feeling this wig. This wig is from Gorgius Hair. They sent me this Burmese curly 4x4 lace closure unit in 12 inches. This is what it's giving. It's really nice and cute. And if you would like to purchase it, the direct link will be in my description box for you to do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.